In this tutorial, I gonna tell you that how to create a cinematic mind-blowing prospective inception effect. Believe me, it's very simple. You can do it by following my steps which I will doing here right now. Make sure that the link of this photo is available in the description box. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, make this image to a smart object by just pressing a right click on it and convert to smart object. Now make a duplicate copy of this object by just dragging it here and drop it on a respective icon. Done. Now we have to just make some perspective changes in this image. Now go to edit, transform, rotate 90-degree counterclockwise. Done. Now let's make a little bit changes here. Move tool. Yeah. Hit done. Now again go to the same menu in edit, transform and flip vertical. Now select a pen tool or just press P in the keyboard and make a dot over here. One dot is here. Now look at this. This is not pretty much accurate. We have to make some change over it. Just press Ctrl and drag it that point here. Yeah. Same we can do with this point by just holding a Ctrl or Command and drag it here. Hold Shift and click. Now this point can be joined with this point by just pressing Ctrl and click. Now right click on this triangle and select make selection. Make sure that further radius is 0.5 pixel. New selection, click OK. Now look at this, the selection is ready. The pen tool selection is ready. Now we have to create a mask of this selection by just clicking this button. Boom! Look at this image. This image was really amazing, totally cinematic and give us awesome perspective look. Now look at these ships. These ships are not looking good. This and this. Now we have to remove these two ships. So select a brush, spot healing brush tool, click on it, select it. Look at this, the brush is large. You can make it small by pressing a bracket keys. Yeah. Oops, it's not working. I want to select this layer, this photo, the main photo layer, and click OK. Done. Same we can do with this boat by just click and drag. Oh, I think this is also a kind of fish or something else. Drag it, remove. Now in order to make it more realistic, we have to add some shadow in this line, on this line, so it become more realistic. Let's do what happens. Now hold Ctrl or Command and click on this mask. Now I am making it more realistic. Click on this create new layer button. New layer is created. Click on this blending mode for the layer option. Select soft light. Select a brush by pressing B, or click on this icon brush tool. Click, it is selected. Make sure that the foreground color is black. Set the opacity of this layer is to up 50%. 50 Sorry, 50%. Now select the soft brush from the brush tool. Drag it from top to bottom very carefully. Yeah, done. For deselecting this layer, simply Ctrl or Command D. Let's see, your Inception effect is ready. Thank you for watching.